Hi there. All right, so we're here for a plunge cycle video for the Jones & Shipman model 1300X, serial number M20307, which is new in 1998. And this machine is 14-inch swing by 27-inch between centers. It does have the two wheel heads, the left and the right hand wheel mounting, as well as the swing around ID attachment. It does have some other accessories that we will be describing and showing in photos. But for right now, we're going to just show you the plunge cycle. So here we go.
Sped it up a little bit.
Okay, thank you. That's perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Great.